once every 10,000 years, when the atmospheric conditions of Jupiter's great red spot are just right. A great beam is fired into space, usually to pass harmlessly by the other planets. Every once in a while, however, when the planets are aligned correctly.
What's that? I don't know, come on. Whoa! I knew this day would come.
What are you talking about?
Come to my lab!
What?
What you are about to witness has never before been seen by human eyes, except mine. But,
Utility room?
it's my lab! Now, you must promise me that you will never speak of what you see in this room.
Okay.
Promise!
Ow! Okay, I promise. Stop hitting me in the
Good.
head, man.
Let's go!
Ow!
Behold! My thermonuclear baking soda vinegar blaster bazooka thingy!
Yeah. Unless it's a pipe.
Yes, and we're gonna use it to blast this dog out the face of the earth. It's a lot of fun on the inside. All I need is for you to help me carry this out.
But it's a pipe.
Silence, or I'll hit you on the head again.
Now you're starting to sound like Jorgen von Strangle.
Go, come on, come on, come on. Ah, ouch. Pat, go back to the kitchen, get a drink bottle with the paper in it.
Okay, why?
Go, just go.
I know, come on, come on.
Okay,
There it is! There it is!
okay, you two need to get out of here. When I blast this thing, it may fall over on top of us. There's no reason for you guys to be around when that happens. And if all else fails, throw the bottle at it. Throw it as hard as you can. Now go! Go!
Man, I'm going, I'm going.
Okay, Ding Dog. It's just you and me. No, no, no!
Alex, no!
If all else fails, throw the bottle at it.
Wow.
Sure looked a lot bigger when it was far away.
Yeah, it did.
Ow! I got hit in the head with a pine cone when I fired that thing off.
So what do we do now? Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire!
Wow, very good. Yeah, he must be going all the way to Mars. Yeah.
Ah!